not a bad starting point for a hike, I guess. Okay, I'm getting used to walking on here and trusting it. This is a completely surreal experience. Just hanging in mid-air. Mountains behind me, mountains in front of me, a gorge beneath me. Here I am, stuck in the side of a gorge somewhere. Yes, I've definitely crossed between Austria and Germany a few times by now, because my phone is just going crazy like, welcome to Austria, welcome to Germany, welcome to Austria, welcome to Germany. Oh, really? There's another one. Okay, I'm gonna be a brave boy. Look at me, Mum, I'm brave. My mum's probably actually having a heart attack watching this. Sorry, Mum. I think one thing you have to be here in person to see is the amazing turquoise colour of the water. It's really gorgeous, and it's nice and calming when you you know, walking across something like this. Solid ground, baby. Ah. And I was never nervous, even for a second. Rock and roll. And yes, I had to actually come here, put the camera down and go back to like a fake arriving, so I actually spent more time on the overhang than I could have done. Things I do for you. Bit ominous though, that if you enter from this side, which I think is the Austrian side, you can either go the way of God or the devil. That doesn't fill me with confidence. But don't worry, I've been studying German quite a lot, so I'll translate this for you. I'll put the English version on screen here.
Wherever you're going, I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave.
Das Wasser kommt gleich, ja.
Kein Problem, danke. How long was I in there for? It's got all foggy. I need to get down the mountain. Oh well, that was absolutely delightful. Exactly what I needed. They do merch as well. I bought a postcard to send to my grandma and aunt and uncle. Like I've said before, they used to run a guest house in Germany, so they'll probably enjoy that. Whether I actually send this first or I actually edit this video first and they see it here, it's a race between two very lazy sides of me. I actually have to stop messing around and talking to myself now. I've got a train to catch. Let's see if I catch it.